Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the 3 best methods to check the balance on your CVS gift card. Whether you have a physical or digital card, it's easy to check your balance before making a purchase. Let's get started. Method 1. Check online on the CVS website. Visit the CVS website at www.cvs.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the gift card section under Customer Service. Click on Check Your Balance. Enter your 16-digit gift card number and the PIN, if required. Click on Check Balance, and your current gift card balance will appear on the screen. Method 2. Call CVS Customer Service. Dial 1-800-746-7287 to reach CVS Customer Service. Follow the automated prompts to check your gift card balance. Enter your gift card number and PIN when prompted. The system will provide you with the balance on your card. Method 3. Ask a CVS store associate. Bring your CVS gift card to any CVS store near you. Ask a store associate to check the balance for you. They will swipe your card, and you will be informed about your remaining balance right at the counter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. And like this video if you found it useful. Stay tuned for more tips.